their place. All right, souffle club, and each child needs a piece of paper that's been cut to 11 by 17. So you take an inch off on each side.
Okay.
And throw away the white strips. No need. So move your plate a little bit. Good. Okay, so when I set it up for right-handed kids. Or either of you lefties? No. Okay. So for a righty, my paper, my water is right here. My paintbrush on the sponge that's missing is right here. Okay? And then my palette, this is my palette, is right in front of me like this. If you have a lefty, the water and the paintbrush are reversed because I'm left-handed. Okay, so I know hopefully the kids know if they're right-handed and left-handed.
Yeah, I think so.
But we're all righty, so it's gonna be like this. Okay, now.
No, thank you though.
In your cup, this is white paint. You're gonna pour enough paint to just cover the bottom. Are you guys teaching today?
No.
It's really dry today. And I found in my last lesson, when it's dry, the paint kind of dries up quickly. So today I'm going to pour a little bit more than normal, but usually just covering the bottom is enough paint. So pour yourself enough paint.
Can always put more.
No, you can't on this particular lesson. So I guess if you're going to err on the side a little too much. Then the blue, you are going to pour a puddle about as big as a silver dollar on the side of your plate. And so when the kids are done with their little rug chat time, this is what they're going to see. Except they're not going to have paintbrushes. Well, they don't have paintbrushes. We have paintbrushes in front of us. Okay. All right, two-part lesson. This is the objective of part one. This is part two. All right. So the kids are on the rug. I'm talking to them now. And I want to say, I want you guys to look around the room. And I always have this pre-selected in my mind. And I want you to find something in this room that's blue. So everybody look around the room. Who can tell me something they see that's blue?
The Lego box.
The Lego box is blue. Great, I like that. Now look around the room and find something that's a lighter value of blue. Find a light blue for me.
Of course not.
The what?
Art course sign.
The art course sign is a lighter blue. Good. You see anything else that's a lighter blue?
The walls.
The walls are a light blue.
My tablet.
Good. Your tablet is lighter than the Lego box. Now look around the room, and I want you to find something that's a darker blue than the Lego box. A darker blue. You're sure. That's right. What I'm seeing. You're sure. In a public classroom, I can use kids' clothing more easily than I can here. Your shirt and the flag. You guys have flags in your classroom?
Do they?
That little square flag.
I think.
But
I feel like
I usually choose blue because it just seems to be a lot of blue out in the world. But you might maybe in your classroom green's more predominant. Just find one color where you can find a medium, a light, and a dark, all of the same color. So it's not like light pink here and dark blue there. Value is the lightness and darkness of one color. So now we've identified light and dark values of one color in our classroom. So on my board, I always write value. And I say value is the lightness and darkness of a color. Well, let's say I have my color and it's blue. How am I going to make my blue lighter? If I want to make a color lighter, I add white to it. And that makes my color light. Okay? A light value of a color is called a tint. Yeah, this is my secret how I remember this. Tint has the letter I. White has the letter I. And light has the letter I. That's how I remember that a tint is adding white and it makes the color light. That's all we learn in kindergarten.
Are you
In
recording
second
this?
grade,
I am recording this.
in second grade, we learn about shades, but we don't do that in kindergarten.
And I'm making the videos short enough so I can put them on YouTube this time
Okay.
too. Because last time I tried to upload the 30-minute one and didn't do it.